and I am your student nurse for today. So today we're going to do a physical examination or overall physical examination. So ibig sabihin po is mag-a-assess po tayo from head to toe. So can you state your name and birthday po?
Joshua Elna po, and I was born on May 30, 2004.
Okay po. How do you like to be addressed po?
Miss na po.
Okay po. So before we start po, I'm going to provide you your privacy and I'll go over your position po sa tamang position pag nag-assess po tayo. So, yun po. Oh.
Ippa, or what we call the inspection, percussion, palpation, and auscultation, is the four most basic techniques that we use to examine or assess a client. For the first skill or technique, which is the inspection, it involves using the senses of vision, smell, and hearing to observe and detect any normal or abnormal findings. This technique is used for the moment that you meet the client and continues throughout the examination. In this technique, we need to note the color, patterns, size, location, consistency, symmetry, movement, behavior, odors, or sound. The second technique is palpation, which consists of the using of parts of the hand to touch and feel the following characteristic. First is the texture, temperature, moisture, mobility, consistency, strength of pulses, size, shape, and degrees of tenderness. There are three types of palpation, which include light palpation, deep palpation, and bimanual palpation. Light palpation is used to feel for pulses, tenderness, surface of skin texture, temperature, and moisture. To perform light palpation, place your dominant hand lightly on the surface of the structure. The next type is the deep palpation, which we place our dominant hand on the skin surface and our non-dominant hand on the top of our dominant hand to apply pressure. This should result in a surface depression between 2 to 5 centimeters, and this allows you to feel very deep organs or structures that are covered by thick muscles. The next type is the bimanual palpation, which we use the two hands placing one on each side of the body part. Percussion involves tapping body parts to produce sound waves. These sound waves or vibration enables the examiner to assess underlying structures. There are three types of percussion, which are direct, blunt, and indirect. Direct percussion is the direct tapping of the body part with one or two fingertips to elicit possible tenderness. Blunt percussion is used to detect tenderness over organs by placing one hand flat on the body surface and using the fist, other hand to strike the back of the flat hand on the body surface. Indirect or mediate percussion is the most commonly used method of percussion. The tapping done with this type of percussion produces a sound or a tone that varies with the density of underlying structures. The fourth and the last skill is auscultation, which is the using of the stethoscope to auscultate sounds that produced by various body structures. For example, breath sounds, bowel sounds, heart sounds, and BP and vascular sounds. It detects both high and low pitch sounds. The bell for low frequency sounds, which checks the third and fourth heart sounds, the murmurs, the breaths, and cough sounds. The diaphragm checks the high frequency sounds, which were the breath sounds, heart, and vowel sounds.